Guidelines for creating a morning menu. Morning. Dinner during keto diet. The keto or ketogenic diet is a diet that adopts a low-carbohydrate and high-fat diet. Some studies that support this method say the ketogenic diet can lose weight in a short time but still increase energy. Some other benefits that can be obtained through the keto diet include preventing the risk of diabetes, cancer, epilepsy, and Alzheimer's. So, how do you design a keto diet for every day? Guides go on the keto diet. As explained above, the keto diet focuses on foods that are high in fat and low in carbohydrates and high in fat. If normal fat consumption is limited to about 20 to 30% of daily needs, the ketogenic diet recommends fat intake up to 60 to 70%. Intake of carbohydrate sources is also greatly reduced to only 5% of daily needs in general. Instead, carbohydrates are exchanged for foods high in protein to meet 20% of the body's needs. This drastic reduction in carbohydrates makes the body enter a phase called ketosis. The lack of carbohydrate intake makes the body not produce enough blood sugar to be burned as energy. As a result, the body begins to break up the fat deposits as a backup energy source. Foods are avoided in a diet of keto. Here is a list of high-carbohydrate foods that need to be reduced or eliminated on the ketogenic diet. Sweet foods, sodas, fruit juices, smoothies, cakes, ice cream, sweets, etc. Grains or flour, wheat-based products, rice, pasta, cereals, etc. Fruit, all fruits, except a small portion of fruit like strawberries, peas, kidney beans, etc. Vegetables and root bulbs, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, etc. Low-fat or diet products. These products often contain high carbohydrates. Some spices or sauces products contain lots of sugar and unhealthy fats. Unhealthy fat. Limit intake of processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, etc. Alcohol. Sugar-free diet foods contain high artificial sugar levels, which can affect the ketone process. Recommended foods in keto diet. Here are the types of high-fat foods recommended in your diet of keto, namely meat, red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken and turkey, fatty fish, salmon, tuna, sardines and mackerel, egg, butter and cream, unprocessed cheese, cheddar, goat, cream, blue, or mozzarella, beans and grains, almonds, walnuts, chia beans, etc. Healthy oils, extra virgin oil, coconut oil and avocado oil. Avocado, strawberry, low-carbohydrate vegetables, green vegetables, tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. Seasoning. You can use salt, pepper and various healthy herbs and spices. Yogurt full fat, susu full fat, 90% dark chocolate. Design a daily diet menu. The important thing to remember in preparing a keto diet is the division between carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. 75% fat, 20% protein and 5% carbohydrate. Also, use which food guidelines should be avoided and which are recommended. Here's a diet menu that you can practice at home. Menu 1. Breakfast. Black coffee without creamer, sugar, sweetener, milk. Can be added coconut oil or butter/margarine. Can also be sweetened with ginger/cinnamon/vanilla/chocolate powder. This breakfast menu contains 84% fat, 12% protein, and 2% carbo. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast with butter, or olive oil. Season with garlic, pepper and salt, and other herbs according to taste. From this menu you get 69% fat, 30% protein, and 1% carbohydrate. Dinner. Set up beef with tomatoes, grated cheese, cream, leeks, butter. The nutrients you get from this dinner are 73% fat, 23% protein, and 3% carbohydrate. Menu 2. Breakfast. Milkshake or full-fat milk. Lunch. Vegetable salad added with a little slice of shrimp or fish, olive oil, lemon juice, mint leaves, paprika, sesame seeds and cheese. Dinner, vegetable salad plus chunks of meat, celery, peppers, tomatoes and cheese. Snacks, avocados, apples, and a handful of nuts. Menu 3, breakfast, high-fat meats like beef or goat. Add eggs, tomatoes, peppers, celery and carrots. Lunch, vegetable salad. Use lemon juice, mint leaves, almonds, sesame seeds, lettuce, mushrooms with olive oil. You can add pieces of chicken breast or shrimp and a sprinkling of cheese. Dinner, sea fish, asparagus, celery, spices, shallots, garlic, leeks, cheese, lettuce, peppers and broccoli. Snack, a handful of nuts and strawberries. Remember, you can design your own keto diet menu by adhering to the principle of 75% fat, 20% protein and 5% carbohydrate.